How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Mezcal Buzz for another mezcal tasting. Today I have something pretty special. As you can see, it's an unmarked bottle because what I have today is Puntas de Mezcal. All right, so we're back, about to taste these Puntas de Mezcal. If you're unaware what that is, Puntas is that first bit of mezcal that's being distilled that comes out very high in alcohol concentration. That first bit is taken out, sometimes even kept aside for cleaning the equipment. And then you have the regular distillation that takes place where you have your mezcal. And then the last part, you have colas or tails, which is usually very low in alcohol concentration. Sometimes they're mixed together to balance that out. But again, what we have here is Puntas. This was a gift from a friend of mine, and I'm looking forward to giving it a taste and enjoying it. So let's get to it. So what I can tell you about these Puntas that I have here, they come from a mezcal artesanal, joven, with agave espadin. So let's get to tasting. So we're gonna taste this neat. We have a very bright and clear mezcal here. Clear center, clear thin edge. And very prickly sensation on the nose there. Very warming. Definitely we get a powerful sense of the alcohol in this mezcal. But we do get those aromas of fruit. We get a lot of citrus here, some lime zest, flowers, maybe some jasmine. I do get a sense of the roasted agave in this aroma. Some green bell pepper, sliced cucumber. And I would call it fine. It's it's a pleasant aroma. Very strong, like I said, because of that alcohol glycerol sensation. But we are talking about Puntas here. Let's get to the mouthfeel. Wow. Coating right away. Right away, it just like spread, coated my mouth. Quite astringent, medium body, quite rough on the alcohol. Not a negative thing, but it might be much for some of the beginners or somebody who's not really into the mezcal being so strong. Puntas is definitely a strong one here. Alcohol is definitely generous to heavy. I get some sour, salty flavor in it. Definitely a piquant, like spicy sensation from the alcohol content for sure. And the smoothness is quite oily. It coats the mouth, even the lips. A tart roast, off dry to dry, and the sweetness on this. And some traces to medium smokiness with this here. Yeah. I do get the smokiness for sure on this. Flavors definitely bitter, very citrusy, like on the zesty side. And I do taste the alcohol. Again, heavy alcohol concentration here. And so again, we're dealing with Puntas here. Very special batch if you could get your hands on. Pairings, I wouldn't really quite pair it with anything. I think this is a straight shooter that you would have like late at night, or if you have a headache, or those mornings when you wake up and you're ready to seize the day. This might be like a little kick or pick me up. So this one definitely goes on the shelf, gets reserved for special tasters that come into the tasting room. Give them a good taste of this. Have you ever had Puntas? If you had, leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you next time. Peace.